have here is the Tojiro F503. This is a 6.5-inch Santoku. Nice and thin on the profile. Again, these Tojiros, they are ground almost all the way to the edge. Super cute, super amazing in the hands, comfortable, and they give you just enough depth to be able to do a nice grip on that and still be able to chop. The Santoku, this is a great utility knife in the kitchen for chopping vegetables, meats, really anything you want to make into slightly smaller pieces. This is their DP series, so you will see this little laminate line. The core is a VG10 and the laminate is also a stainless steel. It is 13 chrome or 13 chromium, and so you won't get any patina on this, but what you'll get is an amazingly sharp knife that will sharpen quickly and keep that edge amazingly well. Very, very comfortable, more Western style handle on a very Japanese style knife. Take a look. All the current specs and prices will be on the website.